Hi, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be working on these rooms here, which is the living room, the kitchen, and as well as my bedroom. Now, if you saw my previous video, you saw that we worked on this side of the house, which are my kids' bedroom as well as the bathroom. So now I just want to make this video and to try to make it 2-in-1 type of thing. We're gonna tidy up in here and we're gonna get rid of some of this. This is donation stuff, just a few things, not the bike. That's actually gonna go in Adriana's closet. And then Cookie's just following me everywhere. And then we also have more donations here that I got from cleaning one of my kids' bedrooms. So this is a good thing that we are doing this, you guys. And then we're gonna follow in here in the kitchen where I'm also going to clean. And this is a real life mess, you guys. Keep that in mind, okay? And I just wanted to show you that I'm not perfect. It gets messy, and you know, and it's okay because we can always go back and clean it. But I enjoy these times with my family where we are eating and we're chit-chatting and there is food on the floor. But and then we just go through like junk mail. I have these like for like organization. This, I'm trying to grow my own celery. I got, you guys already seen that where I talked about. And then this is the pickled red onions. If you saw my Instagram, you know what's up. It's delicious. My salsa. And there goes the paint, you guys, that I was telling you about, that I'm going to be painting the kids' bedroom. You not focus. The kids' bedroom for the mold and mildew. In case you guys struggle with the same exact thing, I recommend that you clean the area and then use this to proof your wherever you have mold and mildew. Got to take out the trash. And then my range is dirty because you guys know I love to cook. I made some chocolate zucchini bread again, which because we are just so in love with it right now. And then coming this way, and of course we have dishes like always, and that never ends, but I'm just giving you a little run through. I learned something new where we're gonna like repurpose and reuse this aluminum foil. Once you're done using it, just wash it and put it in a ball, and you can go back and use it as a scrubber, which is pretty cool because I'm going to use this today for my range and see how well it works. So that's why that's there to remind me. See, she's following me everywhere. Excuse the floor. Again, this is where I tell you guys to, if you're going to be cleaning your walls and mopping, you always want to have these in hand so that way, you know, you're sanitizing your area. Bedroom, where I'm so embarrassed right now. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm going to show you this right now. Okay, this is my bedroom, but you know, we just get busy sometimes and I don't always come and pick up like I should. But that is why this video is here, because these are the main three focus that we're gonna work on. Adriana's school stuff, which is, we are organized somewhat, but we're not clean. We don't put stuff back. And we're gonna fix my bed, of course. Give you the run through on that side. I'm sorry if it's dark in here. That light don't work, and I don't even want to get to that. It's like a ghost story, and I don't want to freak myself out in here. So we're just gonna show you, I'm gonna show you this part, which is the laundry area. This is clean, but I need to fold that. That part is dirty, which needs to go in there, and I just need to like organize and fix the stuff in here. Okay, that's better. That light does work. And that's it. So we're just gonna go ahead and start cleaning because again, we have tons to do. up your dining room chairs is because most of the time on the bottom, it would have like hairs or other kind of like fabric or whatever it is on the bottom. So you guys can tell that disgusting stuff. So when I pick up my chairs, I just remove this and I just make sure I go all the way around just to make sure that there is nothing like that. And then I go back and wipe everything down. Remove those. There's one right here. Did I miss one? Okay. And then we can go back and wipe them down because they are dirty, as you can see. The before, how my range looks, it's pretty dirty, disgusting, but I can't stress this enough on how cooking actually makes me very happy. It's very therapeutic for me. But anyway, so here goes the aluminum foil that I was telling you guys about, that how to pretty much reuse what you already used. And so I washed it and then I just folded into a ball, and we are going to clean our stove with this. And so far it looks really, really good. You guys know I live on my brio pad, but look at this, you guys. It's so easy. It's coming off really, really quick. I don't even think I need to scrub. I'm just like sliding this through. I don't know if it scratches. We'll see once we wipe it down and how it all looks at the end. But check this out, you guys. Look at this. I'm done with using the aluminum foil, and let's do the reveal on wiping it down. And I actually want to do it on this side first because I don't know why I have the habit of using this one particular when I start cooking. So this one was the messiest, and let's go ahead and just wipe it down and see the reveal of this. Okay, so far so good. It did miss a few spots, but I know I can go back and remove those. But so far so good without even actually having to scrub. I don't know, you guys let me know, do you repurpose your stuff before actually putting it into the recycle bin? But I am loving this repurpose aluminum foil before throwing it out. And you know what? I think I'm going to add it into my cleaning routine. I wonder if it works really good with our pots and pans as well. But so far on my range, it looks really, really good. I don't see any scratches or anything like that. Like I said, it did miss a couple of spots, but I know I can go back and scrub that out. But check this out. It was really there wasn't really like any kind of like elbow grease into this.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young and dumb.